Really, the possibilities are endless when you're an apprentice.
You really have control over your own development.
It opened the door and I just took the opportunity.
With over 80% of our employees having come up through apprenticeships, they're integral to our business success.
The apprentice program can really boost your organization, both internally and also in the way that they perform.
The things I do on a daily basis, I never thought I'd see myself doing, so I'm proud of myself so far.
I still get to work, I still get to learn, and you're still growing.
They're given a nationally recognized credential at the completion of their apprenticeship program and the development that they need to be highly skilled workers.
We see this as bringing fresh people into it and accretively growing the base population that we have. It's a significant return on investment.
You build a strong bond of loyalty between the employee and the employer that's priceless.
The skills they learn today are really going to help set you up for relevance tomorrow.
It's the model for the future of the workforce, and I feel like Florida's leading the way.
Apprenticeships work.
For talent.
For business.
For Florida.